What if a physical shop owner could also start an online business during these days? Instead of facing all the difficulties, paying rent, all the overhead, long opening hours, worrying about not getting enough customers because of all the rules. Why not you using this crazy time to thrive instead of surviving? But if you are not ready to invest some time and money, this video is not for you. I do not want to waste your time. Why is this the right time to start an online business? Because it is cheap, easy, and effective. An online shop is open 24/7 and you can decide what kind of customers you want and where your customers comes from. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. My name is Bai and I live in the Netherlands. I'm an entrepreneur and have worked in my bridal atelier for about 22 years. Before I had my online business, I worked 10 to 12 hours a day. When I come home in the evening, I was exhausted, had no time and energy left to do the things I enjoy. I realized that I missed a lot in my life, and I was trading my life for the money. 2 years ago, I almost had a burnout. That was the moment when I found a community that trains people how to start an online business, and doing that for more than 10 years. I follow the steps which they teach, using an automatic system, and now I have built an online business, runs 24/7. With this automatic system, I'm able to spend more time with my children, my family, and my friends. I found more rest and more value in life. Before that time, it was impossible. This community not only has a simple platform to follow step by step, they also have the best coaches, the world-class top courses, the best help team. Many former students give back to the community, they share their secret to help others. You will meet many same-minded people from everywhere in the world. They will help you and lead you to your success. I always thought running an online business was complicated, need a lot of technical skills and technical background, but it is not complicated at all. It just needs a good instruction and good guidance that leads you on your way. This community gives you a free workshop video series to show you how to start an online business or how you can rebuild your own business. If you are interested, you can sign up below and I will send to your email inbox. I want to let other people know about this opportunity. It does not matter how old you are, and it is never too late to start. If thousands of others before me did it and I can do it, you can surely do it too. Believe in yourself, join this strong community, and learn recession-proof skills. Set up an automatic system, start an online business. You do not need to do it alone. Nowadays, what happens in the world causes physical shops or business to face a big problem, bring their business at risk, lose their business, and burn themselves out. It does not need to be you. There are so many ways to earn money online. It is all covered by this free workshop series. You can also combine physical shop and online business, run both. Never put all your eggs in one basket. It does not matter what happens in the world, you have more stream income. It will be a journey, but you do not need to do it alone. You have a strong community to cover your back. Time is changing. We also need to change. Do not be left behind. Use this opportunity. Do not let this crazy time to be wasted. Get this free video workshop video series. And again, make sure you click the button below and I will see you inside. Take care and bye for now.